We gotta get you some stairs.
When I wake up in the morning, touch his little fluster, see his little mittens, give his nose a boopster.
You're not you when you're hungry.
咚咚呲咚呲咚呲咚咚咚，你好，走开。OK， 咚呲咚呲咚呲咚咚咚呲咚呲。
Matt. Really? Well, if you quit escaping the yard, you wouldn't get locked in the stalls. You ready to go back? Are you ready to go back in your pen? Bang!
Baby owl.
What do you want? Oh, buddy. How are you? That's nice.
Come here, beautiful boy. I love you so much. Oh, no, 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 not today, not today, Malfoy. Stop attacking me, Malfoy. Stop. You are hurting me. Please, no.
Oh.
What's wrong? Come on then. It's just rain. Oh my god.
So it's been a really long time since I went out. So can you help me pick an outfit? Okay, so there's these. Is it too much? What about these? Is this too much? This kind of feels like a lot. Is it too much? Now I know this is a little risky. But is it? Yeah, this is too much.
Ooh. Ooh. What is that? Oh, you just want the box.
The box is way better than the toys in the inside.
Mojo. So here's a fun fact about Karen. She must have pockets in there because I don't know where else she would keep all of the audacity.
Oh, gosh.
He's drooling. Sunshine, why are you drooling?
Tater, give kisses. Little boys give kisses.
Come with a kiss.
You don't want to kiss, Tater?
Come with a kiss.
Good boys give kisses.
You know, you're starting to hurt my feelings. I'll take a kiss.
Kisses.
Tickle, 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 tickle. You don't like being tickled? You don't want me to tickle you? Tickle, 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 tickle!
Beep, 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 beep. Spin. Turn. Down. Beep, 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 beep. Sit. Sit up. Sit. Stand. Beep, 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 beep. Sit. Stand, wait. Down. Roll over. Sit.
It's the final brain cell.
If somebody say something I don't like, slap. If somebody look at me a way I don't like, slap. Somebody breathe too hard around me, slap.
She is very gorgeous to me.
Okay, Minnie, come on. Let's go inside. Come on. Come on. What do we do? What do we do before we go inside? Go ahead, wipe your feet. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, is your feet dry? Yeah? Your feet dry. Good girl.
Oh, wait, hang on, stop, you don't want to do this. Listen, I've been a good boy. I've been a good boy, please. I've been such a good boy. Don't do it. No!
What's up, buddy? Yeah, I know you're hungry. Here you go.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog.
I can't even park here yet. But quit it. Quit that. No. He said no. Dude, that's my shirt, boy. Cool.
Look at her. She's on the...
Oh, Jesus. Get back inside. Oh, poor Christian.
No. ¿Ese es tu sentado? No. Oh my God. No. No. Qué bella tú.